Hello, my name is Vaidehi Patel and I'm a solutions architect at AWS. In this video, we are going to tell you about AI guardrails for Amazon Queuing Connect, followed by a demo. Let me now hand over to Abhishek.
Thanks, Vedehi. I'm Abhishek Pandey, Principal Solutions Architect at AWS. Today, we will take a look at how to safeguard your Amazon Q Connect assistant to deliver customer service. Let's talk about AI guardrails. AI guardrails are used to implement application specific safeguards based on your use cases and responsible AI policies. Guardrails filter harmful and inappropriate content and words. For example, you can configure filters based on detection of certain predefined harmful content categories like hate or insults. Similarly, you can configure filters to help block undesirable words or phrases. You can also redact sensitive personal information and limit incorrect information in the responses due to potential large language model hallucinations. Now, let me hand over to Vedehi for the demo.
Thank you, Abhishek. Make sure you are logged into your Amazon Connect admin portal. Next, from the navigation menu, select Amazon Queue and AI guardrails. We are going to create a new AI guardrail for agent facing. This is designed to enable agents to discuss products and services while protecting your internal information. Let's get started by entering a name for our guardrail, and you can put any optional description. Click Create to create a guardrail. Now, you will be prompted to a builder screen. First, we will start by enabling content filters for harmful categories. These filters can detect and filter any harmful inputs and model responses, and you can configure threshold based on your use case and block content that violates your usage policies. For us, we are going to enable both filters for prompt and responses, and we are going to set the strength to high for each of this category. Next is prompt attacks. By enabling prompt attack filter, it will help you detect and block any user inputs that are trying to override your system instructions. You can also adjust the strength based on your use case and your industry type. I'm going to set the strength to a medium. Next is denied topics. So you can add up to 30 denied topics to block any user inputs or model responses that are associated with the topic. And you can add this denied topics based on, again, your use case. Each topic can include name, description, and some of the sample phrases to identify the intent type. Let's add some of the denied topic here. Once you fill in all the information, click confirm to add your denied topic. Next is word filters. So if you want to block certain words or phrases in your user inputs or model responses, you can enable this filter. We can start by enabling the filter, and under custom words and phrases, you can add any words or phrases that you would like to block into the model's response and then the user input. Next is sensitive information filter. So if you're collecting any PII data and if you wish to block or you want to mask those PII data information either from user input or your model response, you can enable this filter. You can choose any of the PII data that is available into the this drop down menu, or if you wish to add any custom filters, you can use regex patterns to add those patterns to block any PII data or mask those inputs. We will add few PII types and we are going to block those for the customer input and then the model response. Once you are done adding all the PII types data, click save to save those types. Next is contextual grounding check. This will help you validate if your model responses are grounded in the reference source and they are relevant to your user's query to filter any model hallucination. So let's enable them and set it to mid-range to make sure your model is not, this guardrail is not blocking all the responses. So if the model response is lower than the defined threshold, the response will be blocked. So if you set it's a too high, then it's going to block all the responses. So make sure it's set correctly and not too high. Same thing with the relevance as well. And last but not least is block messages. If you want to display any custom messages for your blocked prompt and responses, you can type those custom messages here based on your company policy or your use case. I am going to type to custom messages for my guardrail, and this could be changed based on your own use case. And once you are done editing all the information in guardrail model page, click save and then click publish. Once you publish, your guardrail is going to be published and used, ready to be used in a production environment. And each time you publish your guardrail, it's going to create a version. And now you can associate this version with your AI agent and use in a production. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to check out our detailed documentation for AI guardrails for Amazon Queen Connect.